Businesses don't need more tools, they need fewer humans doing repetitive work. CRMs, ads, emails, analytics, each handled by a different person or platform. Now AI agents replace entire workflows, running sales, marketing, and operations end-to-end. One AI agent qualifies leads, follows up automatically, and books meetings, handling the entire sales process without human involvement. Another AI agent launches ads, tests creatives, and optimizes spend in real time, constantly improving performance without manual intervention. And an operations agent runs reports, updates systems, and flags problems automatically, keeping everything running smoothly behind the scenes. No breaks, no salaries, no burnout, just execution. We don't automate tasks, we replace workflows with AI agents. Visit us today to get started.